The time, t, taken to buy fuel at a filling station varies directly as the number of vehicles, v, in a queue, and varies inversely as the number of pumps, p, available at the station. In a station with 5 pumps, it took 10 minutes to fuel 20 vehicles. Find the a. relationship between t, p, and v, b. time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps, c. number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and solve. A. From the question, the time, t, varies directly as the number of vehicles, v, and varies inversely as the number of pumps, p. First we change the proportionality sign to equal to, and introduce a constant. It follows that, t equals k times v over p. Let's call this equation 1. From this equation, we make k the subject of the formula. To do so, we cross-multiply to have t times p equals k times v. Next we divide both sides by v, so that k equals tp all over v. Let's call this equation 2. From the question it is given that, the number of pump p equals 5, the time t taken equals 10 minutes, and the number of vehicle v equals 20. Next we find the value of k by substituting the value of p, t, and v, in equation 2. So that k equals 5 times 10 all over 20. Canceling out zeros will leave us with k equals 5 over 2. Next we substitute the value of k, which is 5 over 2, in equation 1. Doing so will give us t equals 5 over 2 times v over p. This equation is the relationship between t, p, and v. B. To find the time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps, let's call the relationship between t, p, and v, equation 3. Since the number of vehicles is 50 and pump equals 2, next we substitute these values in equation 3 to find time. Doing so, will give us t equals 5 over 2 times 50 over 2. On the numerator, 5 times 50 is equal to 250, and at the denominator 2 times 2 is 4. 250 divided by 4 is 62.5. Hence, the time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps, equals 62.5 minutes. C. To find number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. Since the number of vehicles is 40 and the time is 20 minutes, we will also substitute these values in equation 3. Doing so will give us 20 is equal to 5 over 2 times 40 over p. 2 will cancel out 40 to leave us with 20. Going further, 20 is equal to 5 times 20 over p, which is 100 over p. To find p, we cross-multiply so that 20 times p equals 100 times 1, which is still 100. Next we divide both sides by 20. On the left side, 20 will cancel out 20, and on the right side, 100 divided by 20 is 5. Hence, the number of pumps p required is 5 pumps. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.